you think planets have a limit, you're wrong. Let me erase everything you know about astronomy in one sentence. There's something bigger than Jupiter, and it's just sitting there. I haven't been sleeping properly since I found this out. I'm not exaggerating. I opened the file, read it, closed it, opened it again, and I'm going to explain it to you. Jupiter, the giant that fits 1,300 Earths inside it, the largest in the solar system. Okay, we know this. It's basically a cliché. But when I started working here, my first question was, is there something bigger? There is, and I wish I didn't know. First, let's actually understand Jupiter, because people just say, big planet, and move on. That always seems weird to me.
Okay.
Jupiter is 2.5 times heavier than all the other planets in the solar system combined. So there's Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, blah blah blah. You put them all on a scale. You put Jupiter on the other side. Jupiter's side is heavier, not by a little, by 2.5 times. I didn't understand this number when I read it. I read it again, and I still didn't understand it. Diameter, 140,000 kilometers. Earth's diameter is 12,700. So next to Jupiter, Earth really is a marble. Easy to say, but terrifying to think about. I at least don't think about it. Now let's get to that red spot, the great red spot. It's a storm. But the word storm doesn't work here. It's been spinning non-stop for hundreds of years. 2 Earths fit inside it. Wind speed 500 kilometers per hour. Earth's most powerful hurricanes barely reach 300. On Jupiter, this is just a regular weather event. It also has a magnetic field, 20,000 times stronger than Earth's. If you could see it with your eyes, it would appear much larger than a full moon in the sky. When I read this, I was about to close the file, but my curiosity beat my fear. I don't know what I was thinking. I just stared. It has 95 moons. 95.
Oh my God!
The largest one, Ganymede, is bigger than Mercury. So one of Jupiter's moons is literally planet-sized. And there's Europa. There's thought to be an ocean under its ice crust. We don't know if there's life there. There's a chance. If I open that topic now, it won't fit here. But I wanted you to know.
Stop it. Get some help.
Now I'm going to explain the actually disturbing part. Get ready. Buckle up. Jupiter has a limit. If you add more matter, it doesn't grow. It gets crushed under its own weight and starts shrinking. So no matter how much stuff you throw at it, at some point it just becomes something more compressed, more dense, more small. Even the biggest thing can't handle too much. Nobody told me this. Maybe there's a reason they didn't. ROXs 42BB. When I first saw this name, I thought it was a password. Then I looked at the data. Then I sat there for a while. 2.5 times wider than Jupiter and 9 Jupiter masses. 150 times further from its star than Earth is from the sun. There are no seasons there. Time doesn't work the way we understand it. Just cold, darkness, and silence. And right now the scientific community can't agree on what this thing is. When a celestial body reaches 13 times Jupiter's mass, it stops being a planet. It becomes a brown dwarf. Something that couldn't start nuclear fusion, got so close to being a star but couldn't make it. Kind of like me, set out to be a scientist and ended up staying as an intern. ROXs 42BB is neither planet nor star, somewhere in between. There's no clear category for these types of objects in the catalogs, meaning scientists don't know either. And even if they did, they probably wouldn't tell us. But the universe doesn't stop here. GQ Lupi b is 140 light-years away from here. Its mass is estimated at between 1 and 36 times Jupiter's. Look at that range, 1 to 36. Such a wide range of estimates shows how little we know about this object. It was directly photographed in 2005. Most exoplanets are detected through indirect methods, but this one was imaged, and it still hasn't been fully understood. CT Chamaeleontis b is 17 times Jupiter's mass. It orbits so far from its star that normal planet formation theories can't explain it. How did it form? Unknown. Why is it there? Unknown. The universe doesn't follow rules. HR 2562b. This one's a bit different. It was discovered inside a debris disk. It came out of the dust and debris around its star. How? Why? Unknown. What these 3 objects have in common, none of them can answer the question, is it a planet or not? The universe is making fun of the classification systems we created. I've started taking this personally. Now think about this. Some of these giants might have Earth-sized moons orbiting them. Exomoons. You're living on a moon. You look up at the sky. There's a massive gas wall stretching from horizon to horizon. Hey, don't get the wrong idea. I didn't do anything. If Earth were a moon of ROXs 42BB, our entire sky would be covered by this planet's atmosphere. We couldn't see the sun, just that giant, colorful wall. This image is inside my head and I can't get it out. Is there a limit to the universe? Is there a size physics won't allow? Or are there bigger things out there that we haven't even named yet? I don't know. Nobody knows, if someone does. Drop your thoughts in the comments. Subscribe. See you in the next video.